In this video, we'll build a smart light that can turn on all by itself. This program makes a smart light that turns on automatically when it gets dark. Here's how it works. First, we choose a level called threshold. This level decides how dark it needs to be before the lamp turns on. The program runs all the time because of the forever block. If the brightness is lower than the threshold, the lamp turns on. If it's brighter, the lamp turns off. Tip: keep the lamp and the light sensor a little apart. Otherwise, the lamp's light might trick the sensor. Take a look at the smart light and see how it responds to darkness. Try changing this number and watch what happens. Cover the sensor with your hand, then move your hand away. See how the light reacts? With this program, your lamp can sense the light around it and make smart decisions. Just like a real smart light.